Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Ready up, ready up, ready up. Ready up, ready up, ready up. Ready up, ready up, ready up. I mean, check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Ready up, ready up, ready up. 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 Wagwan. Wagwan. People, yeah, one sitting where we refer to in a Jamaica, we call it dropsy. I think the official Bossy people term for it is narcolepsy. Right? And well, I'm assuming that they mean the same thing, right? Cause I don't know where that means say you drop asleep quick, right? Narcolepsy, also called excessive uncontrollable daytime sleepiness. Well, they don't have any daytime sleepiness. A chronic sleep disorder that causes overwhelming daytime drowsiness. The cause of narcolepsy isn't well understood but may involve genetic factors and abnormal signaling in the brain. Well, this is interesting that they might refer to it as daytime drowsiness. Well, the implication is here that it's something that you can only experience in the daytime. I beg to differ, because this thing, you know, they're basically saying it's a disease, you know, it's something of a disease, you know. And it's a thing where you have where tiredness just take you. And they might imply that there may be some genetic factors here, that it might be in your DNA. And once you hear them say genetic factors, you know, say that have implication of heredity. I mean, it passed down, or something you can't get from your generation. So your mama or your papa can't have it, or your grandparents can't have it, and if it is some sort of gene, you know, type of thing, then you can catch it and you can pass it on to your descendants also. But apparently they don't fully understand it. So again, it's one of those things where them just know, say you drop asleep. When them just say excessive, uncontrollable daytime drowsiness. But when we talk about a sleepiness, right? You have some people who just drop asleep. You all attack. Who never talk to some people and them just drop asleep, you know? I don't wonder why go and make them just drop asleep, so. Yeah. You have some people, any of them not active, man. Any of them not do something. Any of them not move around. Them will just drop asleep, and you will say, boy, look like them a work hard, or them tired, or them stressed out. Now, you do have times when that does indeed affect some people. They're just so tired. I know somebody, him not sleep. When me tell you him not sleep, him just go on, and him just, you know, him just buck off a little bit and thing, but him will just go hard for like 10 days or 2 weeks. And then him sleep for like 2 days, and then him go right back to it, you know. It's just really weird. Right? Me know somebody like that. But this thing, you know, narcolepsy, I Jamaicans call dropsy. Right? And it's essentially the same thing. Well, I know I don't have it. I don't have it in terms of it being a clinical condition, like a medical condition, like some genetic issue. But I do know that I do get tired sometimes when I don't get sleep. And as I've implored to you on many occasions before, sleep is critically important. Sleep and water affect all areas of your life. When I say all, I mean all. Sleep and water impact every area of your life. There is no area of your life where you can tell me about where sleep and water no impact. You understand? So it follows then that you must make sure say you're getting your good, the right amount of sleep and your right amount of water. I need to brush up on that sleep area then. I'm just so busy and I just, I'm going, and I need to get more sleep, man, because sometimes I'm tired. Catch up with me, man, may I tell you. I'm tired. Catch up with me more while. But we give thanks same way, don't. Yeah, so from what you may I say, I listen to my body, me all day at work. I have some other time, we just want to work through the tiredness, Because you have a way when you work through the tiredness and then you struggle through it, and like you convince your body, say, all right, it's a second win, a third win, a fourth win. Go on, and then the tired look like it gone with, but it not really gone with still, Your body still need the sleep. Your brain just tell your body, say, all right, you want to push through. She want to push through wherever it affect, and then you end up just go hard, But the body have a breaking point with everything. But again, people, sleep something important, man, Not to mention your immune system and your capacity to ward off illnesses, sickness, and all them something there and thing. I want to tell you, say, if you get the right amount of sleep, not even Obia can do you nothing, Yeah. But if you don't get enough sleep, somebody will just set Obia upon you to catch you, Listen to Mass Reggae, hear what I tell you, If you don't get enough sleep, I bet you not found to listen. I bet you not found to listen, I say, oh, really? Okay, I'm going to pay some attention, right, I said to a Ragas. But yeah, if you don't get enough sleep, yeah, man, when people set Obia fear, it will quicker catch you, So if you don't want to ease off it, Obia them and all these things and whatever, and make it less likely, say Obia will clot up on the nastiness and whatever, get on a sleep. Get on a sleep. Real quickly. So, the Prime Minister and a delegation recently gone to Kigali, this is a place in Rwanda, where I understand there is a meeting of the Commonwealth nations. Commonwealth as in British Commonwealth, interesting. And that we're getting some we're getting some seemingly contradictory signals from the government, But, with regards to the whole thing of Jamaica becoming a republic, that is jettisoning the Queen of England as the head of state of the country and becoming truly independent, because we're not truly independent right now. Even though it is unlikely that the Governor General would fire the Prime Minister, it is still not a good idea that the Queen's representative is constitutionally empowered to remove the duly elected Prime Minister of our country by virtue of the present constitution that we have and whatever. That is not a good thing. Can't have the Queen say we're independent and the Queen can lego the Prime Minister and all these things if she want. Right? Yeah. If Mr. Patrick, the Governor General want go say boom and say, bro God, keep it moving. He can do that. And then you have all sort of other little things, problem with it and things like that. And then the possibility of us being a republic, and not just being a republic on paper, but being a republic truly independent and finding some way to educate the populace of Jamaica of that and to have it be some sort of... I'm not naive. I don't believe that that we're going to just change around things and then Jamaica would just be this metropolis of peace and safety and all our problems will be solved. But it can, if it is done and implemented in such a way that the population internalize it and whatever and can feel proud about it and think, given where we're coming from, particularly our colonial past and whatever, and if we can reach a point where we can say we have truly, discarded the vestiges of our plantation heritage and the pain and cruelty and turmoil and exploitation that we experienced for hundreds of years at the hands of those people, then finally we can be in a position where we can throw out that contradictory thing where to this day we are celebrate the Queen and the royal family. When of them did enslave we, them family and them legacy and whatever did enslave we, right? And keep in mind, them never give up slavery because they figured that it was the morally correct thing to do. They were forced to do so. Big up Kwame Nkrumah and thing, and the people them who start off that thing over there in what was the Gold Coast and now it's called Ghana. And them something they seen. So I think it's a good thing and it can be a great thing if it is enacted and put in place and then, taught in school and make people grow up with it. One thing with this country, the United States, them not stop chat about them constitution and them framers and the framers being the framers of the constitution and all them something. It's just, it's a salient part of public discourse and it is very much active in many aspects of living here and whatever. And we can achieve that in our own space. So we did, when Prince William did come to Jamaica one day with him wifey, Katie and thing, and whatever, the Prime Minister openly signaled that it is our intention, to do away with the monarchy as a constitutional monarchy and to fashion our own thing and do our thing. And the Prime Minister has put in place, certain, entities to get that process going. I think with the idea being by 2025, we can bring this thing to fruition. Well, I think it's something along the lines of like bringing it before the next election is due, something along those lines. So we have that on the table, and at the same time, we see where the Prime Minister and the government of Jamaica is equally excited about having one of our elected officials become the head of the Commonwealth Secretariat. Again, the Commonwealth is all about Britain, it's all about the Queen, it's all about England and thing and whatever. So I'm not sure what is happening there, so I guess to some extent it's that the intention is, well, we're on our way to becoming a republic, but there can be some political benefits to derived, from still excelling within the Commonwealth until we bring the goal of the republic, a Republican Jamaica, not Republican small r. Americans don't think Republican Party here. Truly independent Jamaica, to fruition, that can happen. But in the meantime, I could go and star up a show in the Commonwealth. Make we hope say sitting like that. Yes. Yeah. So me did want to tell you one mix up and thing, and I think a Friday me want to tell you, and then the call them did come in and sitting and whatever. Let me see, me remember it. And things. So you have these two girls. Them grew up together. Them go same school, them family, know them one another and thing. And them live in the same area. And them go same school and this and that. And as it happened, one time, one of them did come foreign the other one, they come foreign like the next year after, and then maintain the link and same school and all these things. Anyway, them a good friend and the family know them one another. But one is 16 and one is 17. And them grew up in the same church too. Them grew up in the same church and them come up here and them a go the same church and the same school and things. So one time now, them have a look of falling out. Well, you know, young people and them argument and some kind of falling out and this and that and right. And them stop talk. You know, when people vex and thing, I not chat to them and me and her not talk or whatever. And them a go through them thing and thing. So one little the one we are 17. For her boyfriend who play American football, him big and thick and trapped in. You know, him at 18. Him playing them football in them school. Big and thick and, you know, them people up there, them big and thick and trapped in and sitting. Him come tell Fim girlfriend, the 17-year-old. You know, so I shouldn't tell him that part there first. No, I'm not telling that part. So when the two girls them not talk and them vex with them one another and not talk, something else go down and thing. The one we are 16, she tell her mother say, she not go over the other one yard anymore because them not talk. Them have some little differences with them have. But the one we are 16, I tell her mother say, the differences when them have make she not bother go over a yard or whatever. So at the time the mother not pay them the mind because the mother say a picnic, you know, and them have them look ups and downs and them a come round and all these things. But apparently the vexation go on for a while until the two of them kick off and it get physical. The one we are 16, she go complain to the 17-year-old mother. And I tell the mother said that one the fight her over foolishness with them have. The mother then now, the 17-year-old mother now, go back to the 16-year-old mother. And I said, you say the girl, them, them call them name and things, say them a fight and a argue and whatever. So the mother now, the 16-year-old mother go to her and say, so what is you go to so and so, that are the other one mother and attack. So the 16-year-old one I tell her, I say, no, because of the foolishness and whatever, this and that, and she come fight me and whatever. That mother they get upset. The 16-year-old mother get upset. She called back the other one mother now, and I said, nah, me hear where your daughter go on with, man. No, man, that's wrong. She can't come and fight me, so, them a call name, but like she that say, your daughter Sharon, she can't come and fight Susie some man and thing, and I give it to Susie some man. We need to quash out this man because before this thing I get out and thing. Right? So the other mother said, me never know say this so it there and whatever. But your daughter did come talk to me about it and whatever. So the 16-year-old I push for her mother now to say, yeah, we need to come together and talk it up because the 17-year-old, she said the 17-year-old now move right. So when then go to the other one, mother go to the 17-year-old and say, come man, make we go quash out this thing. And the 17-year-old say, okay, fine, cool. So the four of them meet up, the two daughter with the two mother meet up. So when the 16-year-old now attack and I say, yeah, you can't imagine the foolishness with this and that and you come and fight me for the foolishness where thing I was bigger than that and our friendship bigger than that and the 17-year-old makes you talk. And ray, and this and that, and the 16-year-old go off, the 17-year-old turn up there and make she talk. When she don't know, the 17-year-old say, no, say, I know what you think make the vexation there, I'm going to have you up and whatever. Or something then, so you do. So the 16-year-old say, what me do? After me not do you nothing. Bops the 17-year-old just reel out. The 17-year-old man, the football player, go to she and tell her, say, him have something to tell her. And him upset and him do something wrong. And ray, and him want to confess and it a rest on him head and it a rest on him heart and all these things. Him tell her say the 16-year-old been a put arguments to him, been a chat up to him, whatever, Ray. And him never been a tell the 17-year-old and thing. And him say him gonna end up have sex with the 16-year-old. So him a tell him girlfriend, him a beg her, don't tell her, don't say nothing, but you know, you have her as friend, and as she come move to me wrong, and thing, but when me see what I go on, I know say it not right. So boom, now the 17-year-old, when they meet now go on with the two mama them and thing, the 17-year-old just bust out that the 16-year-old mouth whoop my wife because the 17-year-old reload details and all these things and whatever. The 16-year-old now thinks that the secret they lock with our friend man the whole time and whatever, this and that. Shock take her because remember, she lead the charge the whole time, you know. So everybody for meet and she can't believe the 17-year-old go do that. Remember, she go to the 17-year-old mama and go talk up the things about the mama daughter and all them something there and whatever, you know. So the 16-year-old they stand up shock. So the 16-year-old mother, they bring a youth. Other part are funny. So them bring a youth. So remember, you know, the youth play football and you know, not familiar with American football. You know, them big and thick. Except for the one them what them call wide receivers who can be slim or whatever. But in general, the football player, them big and thick. So the youth, they did it. And the youth confirm everything what the 16-year-old do. And the 16-year-old stand up the shock. So the 16-year-old mother turned to her and say, like should I say, then anything really goes for true? Anything really goes for true? The 16-year-old stand up the shock and can't walk now much. So it look like a mama realize what the mama faint right there, so drop down, boof, the mama faint and thing. And them carry the mama go ER. And you know, nothing ever really do her. I just she shock take her and she get winded and faint and whatever. But me I say, look at that. The whole time, you know, at the 16-year-old I raised this moral issue about the 17-year-old now move right. I know she move right because all the time she think of the other foolishness make the 17-year-old vex because she thinks it's secret between she and the 17-year-old man lock and whatever. But and in doing so, and them say she quiet. She had the quiet one. We look like she act like she can't mash hands. So she had the quiet one. And the whole time when she did it, I push the thing and I blame the 17-year-old. So the 17-year-old, I bring violence to her and I bring drama to her and all them something and I blame her so she follow up foolishness. I'll gone to the girl mother. I make report to the girl mother about her and the whole time as she are the devil. Not even devil. As she are the devil. You know, say you have some people out in our world stay so for true. You have whole heap of people stay so in our world for true. Them will carry on a narrative, you know, and them will start all drama and whatever, you know, and position themselves as victim, you know. All ball, you know, and act self-righteous, you know. Attack people about issues and when behind the scene of them I do the wickedness and the evil. And sometimes them even have justification for the wickedness and evil where them I say nothing wrong. Or, to put it simple, you have these people who do these things, you know, but you have some people do some wickedness, you know, some evilness, you know, but them work from a paradigm as follows. If nobody no know, it's not evil. If people don't know, then them not wicked. Sounds simple, you know, but again, you have people who live by that something there. And them end up performs a character, a personality that they're not. And actually provoke people, attack people, and go on like them nice and holier than thou. And play the victim. Them get up every day and play the victim and go on like them a be persecuted. A people a do them something. A you a do this to them. A you when behind the scene. And them in a secret are going with the wickedness and the evil. And they will live this thing, you know. They will live it, you know. So them will do the, and I like a one-off thing with them, you know. Them will live this thing day in, day out, week after week, month after month, year after year. Them will just play that little duality there You understand, where they are one thing in a secret and another thing in a public, but the thing that they are in public is kind of like loud. It's kind of like attacking of others. It's kind of like a move to people, a blame people for wickedness and evil. When a them a do it, you know. As the cliche goes, if wine or dark come out in a light, you know, enough people career get flap. Enough people sure get flap. If what in a darkness come out in a light, enough people sure get flap. 16-year-old, and you see them game there where she a play. Her friend, where she know from Jamaica, then go to same church, same school, like she can't have a chance. Move to her friend, man. When him fi blame too, you know. Him fi blame too, because him wrong too, right? Because him don't know, say, I'm girl, best friend, that. So him not fi do it. But again, you know, at the 16-year-old, that push this kind of moral righteousness, you know, and I act like she was the one being persecuted when the whole time she was the body thief. She was the body thief her best friend body and thing behind her best friend back and attack her. But never know say, hey boy, did in conscience that ride him and him go tell him girlfriend and thing. And the whole time the girlfriend just clutch and I watch her play out the thing and all these things and whatever. I never say nothing to her and make she just overplay her hand until, you know, they dig hole as we say in Jamaica. I never did a dig one for herself. I dig hole for her friend. And the whole time I realize say, it was for herself she did a dig hole. And that for do them. But them type of people, them out there. Them out there. We're going to hold a break and when we come back, we go to a phone line. So go and balance up on the thing. We're soon forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
All right, the phone line, I want my right. I know 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is toll free, of course. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Right away, we juggle up in our phone line here. One pop, send on.
Raga.
Yes, Mr. Combs, how you do?
We are going with me. They are listening to the program, you know.
All right. And we are...
One thing I like with you, I tell me, say, when me attack, me I go too deep. Then you have to talk the root of the case. You have to come from the root before you like you know.
No,
all
Mr.
Right,
Combs, sometimes when when you talk, you go in details like we're not involved. No, you see, you bring up a point and you know make me talk again. You know make me talk. No, but you can't do that, Mr. Combs. You can't You can't do them something, man. You can't come and then chew a blow and then tell me something for shut up.
Sorry.
I'm saying that sometimes when you talk, you have some interesting things to share. But you go back in your memory, you will start to think about, yeah man, in 1945, and just when you go over the hill, and when you go see one church and thing, and you will start get what them call extraneous information, when I really have nothing to do with the point where you make the story where you tell. Okay, all right?
Listen to your discussion this evening. Are you a topic?
Yeah.
The 17-year-old boyfriend don't do nothing wrong. The woman push up himself on him. He use everything and tell him wife, say, boy.
No, girlfriend.
Telling girlfriend, say, boy, your friend push up on me. I mean, I go call myself voteless. And me call me with something, so me clap it. Me sorry with me, but she put it on me, so me not wrong him.
No, you can't say him not do nothing wrong. Him shouldn't go sleep with him girlfriend, best friend.
And you want to call me voteless? No.
What you mean? Say, because the girlfriend, best friend come run it upon him, he must take it. He must take it because him don't want the girlfriend to go call him workless and say him soft. That you say?
Yes, Mr. Ashanti. I'm Mr. Kingsley.
Mr. Combs, you know how many Jamaican men get in trouble for that. That is a weakness, Mr. Combs.
me brother, if I know me beggar, and me put a Christian, I think I say, Philip wrong, your boyfriend, you are a big man, me get in a season and me season him up. Me, him come push up me, I take him.
I know, Mr. Combs, but let me ask you something. Based upon what you are saying is, if you're younger in your prime, based upon what you are saying. Hold on, man. If you're younger in your prime, you basically, I say from a man younger in his prime, and a nice, sexy, pretty girl come and put it upon him. He must take it. That is what you're saying.
Me, I take him in a bit with you, man.
So, Mr. Combs, so man must, hold on. So you said, because you know want the woman go call you workless.
But me a boat man or something, in go away. Me a lick it down.
Yeah, lick it down. Because you know one of them go say, and for people who don't know, boardman is another term for B-man in Jamaica, which means you're gay. So you know one the woman go say you're gay and you're workless and you're soft, right? So that's why.
Man, me a lick it down.
Yeah, lick it down.
You nice or you not nice?
So you don't think there is more strength in a man when him can say no to a pretty woman who run juju upon him? You don't think so?
No, but the best way to get rid of her, though, I will lick it down. Best way to get rid of her. Never come back again.
What you say? From say run it if it. I disagree, though. Mr. Combs, I disagree.
You don't agree?
No, I don't agree with you. I don't agree.
You must agree with me. I got 2% talking.
Well, yes. I just making it for the record that I listen to me, man. All right, 2 things I want to tell you, right? You know, say, women find men more attractive when him now run all over the place. Well, let me clarify that because you have.
Yes, I agree.
Right, all right. The second thing is, when I was much younger, I used to do what we call fear joke and sympathy joke.
Yeah.
Now, this fear joke was, if a woman come, whatever, I am Jamaican, I was born and raised in Jamaica, so I used to think like you, because that is what we learn in our culture. Right. So you did have a time when woman run it upon me and I just feel like, so I don't say no, because I don't want to go back and say this and that about me or whatever. So you know how much time me end up go sleep with woman who I never want to sleep with?
Well, me not say no.
No, man, I cut out that. Me cut out that years ago. Me cut out that. I tell Jamaican men, only if have that something that too, because here I know Mr. Combs, here why bad. You know when me grew up I hear enough Jamaican women I say, first of all, them can't tell we know anytime, you know that, right?
Yeah.
When we look them and we want this, them kill what we didn't know and we have to work hard feet and all them something there.
Yeah, we work hard.
But hold on. But once them like, come on, we must say no. And when we say no, you know what most Jamaican women I say? And which man say no to Puni, something must wrong with him. Him must be man, or this and that. Because man no say no to Puni, and look how me look good. You know how much man want me and whatever. I think that is damn foolishness. Them forget something no too. Woman forget no. What's when they at them and dash it out? Because sit on one side, I don't want your front. Nothing wrong with that.
And a young will.
And a what?
And he's a young, you know, spread out. Far in the world.
We used to spread out what?
She not going far in the world. She not. Nice up and tight up.
Listen to Mr. Combs. Listen to.
Me just give picture there.
My God. But you learn that in a Jamaica and you live by it now and things. I saw it for going on Mr. Combs.
Yeah, man. A Jamaica me born, a Jamaica me go.
No, man, but that is why enough man end up in a trouble and end up with all some woman where them don't want and end up with picnic where them never want and all them something there.
Yep, the gentleman apologized to your girlfriend and tell him the truth.
But him did wrong, yeah. We want to commend him for apologizing and know that he was wrong and look out for her because he must say, no, you can't do a friend with her and look what she did behind your back and do and whatever. But him did wrong too. Him shouldn't go sleep with him girlfriend, best friend.
You, if you listen, me not wrong you, if you listen, I want to put it down good door.
All right, Mr. Combs.
No, me have one more video, one quick one.
Yes, send me a quick one, yeah.
Me have a weekend work, I come work, me regular caregiver go over a weekend.
Yeah.
So one of them come along and say me to change my address. When she tied me.
Yeah.
She mustn't tell nobody, say me live at the Park Road. Me say, what me tell them me live? Me live at Woodford Park. You get it, Jeff?
And that you say you for change your address?
Yeah, me must you know what me 87 Magna Park Road.
Right.
Me
You ever tell them say you live at Woodford Park. That's how when she
Woodford
tied
Park.
you, she said that.
Yeah, you know, you get it, Jeff?
Me get the drift, so I saw you heavy, Mr. Combs.
You know, listen me. But the Woodford Park, you park.
Oh, Woodford Park. Oh, it
Yeah.
park.
You
What
get
you
it,
say?
Jeff, now?
It park and now moved on.
Right.
Well,
you
yeah, we
get-
get to know.
But you want to recharge.
Yeah, but you are recharge. No matter about you, they dead. They don't come back, no.
Right.
All right,
No,
Mr.
no,
Combs.
little life there.
Little life there sometime,
Yeah,
no.
man.
Okay, all right then.
Anyway, big up then.
Yes, man, Mr. Combs, and blessings here.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man, respect. Boy, you know, say Jamaican men cuss me about that. Yeah, I'm a talk it already and them listen to the show and say, see it there, he must suffer through. He must this and that and them style me up because them disagree with it. Because I just a thing there in our culture we say, yo, puni fi get ram up and stab up and ray. So anything come round them just feel say them just have to go do it. Else them are no man. Jamaican men on the need for leg of that something them man. Nothing wrong if you don't love the thing, I want to pursue the thing. But don't believe say you're going to be less of a human being, less of a man. If you don't, if you go send, if something that come at you, a woman a give you so and so, and you say no, nothing wrong with that. Knock a woman with a no man, and make sure you know say be away you do. You can't come disrespect my woman them way there. You understand? So you want to come grind me off and a quiet and you laugh and chat with my woman. You're mad, man. Or, no, you know, so I'm not too feel you like that. I'm not do nothing what I don't want to do. If I not feel it like that, I not feel it like that. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that, men. Nothing wrong with that. Hello, next call. Greetings.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, why I pray?
Why pray? Only God can tell you. What you say?
Yeah, so me know.
Yeah.
Me not gonna do with my girlfriend, best friend. God, that don't make sense, so the God can't tell me what happened.
Okay, saying. You not do that.
Yeah,
No.
me I do the right thing.
Then suppose your girlfriend, best friend, sex in a watch it not and go so boom and jump on you with the goodness and the sweetness and start jump up on your leg and say, listen, make it happen. What you da do?
No, me I tell you no, me can't do it.
You tell her, say
My
no.
girlfriend, 'cause that gonna look bad.
That gonna look bad. You see, you're a principled man. Only God can tell you. You are a
Yeah, but yeah,
principled
no,
man.
me tell the lady, me tell mother about something, you know.
You tell him about what?
About the hoodie.
About the what?
I say, where's the hoodie? Tell him hoodie.
Oh, you tell him mother, so myself to tell her how they done.
Yeah, so I say, tell her thanks.
Okay, she said to tell me thanks. Okay,
Yeah,
God.
she say, tell her thanks.
Yeah, man, bless her and things. So how she doing now? Is she doing better?
Not too bad, then I give thanks to the Father.
All right, man, blessings. How old is your
You
mother?
know, about me, I'm something together, Raga.
Well, how old is your mother? Just real quick. How old is your mother?
Raga, I tell you the truth, I don't say me not check it.
Oh, you're not checking and thing. Well, she in her 80s
No.
or 70s?
No, no, so I'm going to tell her, I'm going to tell her no.
Or you don't know if she in her 70s or 80s? You don't know?
No, because I not check it,
Okay, only God can tell you. All right, give me a mix-up.
Yeah, Raga. So, this girl now, you know.
Yeah.
Every time come, this girl calls me every time I help them the people them. And
Yeah.
when you look at things.
Yeah.
So, easy was park up now, back to park up now, and come and wonder if I want to make people then come.
What? Hold on,
Yeah,
what?
well,
Hold on,
I
what?
will
Hold on,
speak
wait. You say what? She what park up what?
Vaxi.
Baxi?
Vaxi, one boss named Vaxi.
Oh, one boss named Baxi?
Vaxi, yes.
Oh, so what she say the bus park up and what?
Yeah, I think on a family there, one of my family there come.
Oh, Zine. And
Yeah,
then,
so it's like you want Dove, Irish Spring soap.
who want Dove and Irish Spring soap? She ask you for that?
No, he want it because he asked if a family come, ask me if a family come.
Oh, she thinks if I hear a relative, if she ask if I hear a relative come from foreign.
Yeah, because he want to come beg him Dove and Irish Spring soap.
Oh, and because of that, she say she can't get local Dove and Irish Spring soap, no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Every time I fall a play with her, she does.
And every time what?
One fall a play with her entirely.
Well,
One fall.
every time one fowl a fly out of them toilet.
Yeah.
Hold on. What you mean? What them have an outside toilet?
Yeah, and the fowl lay night. Every time they go in there for fly out.
Hold on. The fowl lay egg in at the outside toilet?
Yeah, now on corner.
Hold on. Pit toilet?
Yeah, pit toilet and then zinc on.
And them zinc around the pit toilet. But the fowl lay the egg in a pit toilet. So them go in there, go collect the egg.
I want corner.
In one corner, over the pit toilet there, right? And so them go in there, go collect it. Them go in there, go collect the egg, don't?
Same way. No, a dog eat out it.
Dog eat out what?
Dog eat out the eggs.
Them not use the egg?
No, the dog eat out it before.
Oh, the dog always eat it up. But anytime them are going to use the toilet, the fall fly out, don't?
Yeah, for fly out.
Then, yo, people, you can't make this stuff up, man. You can't.
I hear that.
So, you said more while them are going to use the toilet or the fall, like them just have the fall fly out when them got to go use the toilet, don't?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Lord.
One of them I use the word, and the whole family of them, nephew, daughter, and son, and sister, and mother. I use the same soap. I use the same soap.
I use the same soap?
Mm-hmm.
What wrong with that?
No.
Eh?
When they had their soap, then they hide it from the person. And then he get soap, they hide them from them and use film.
When fear relative.
No, when she gets soap,
yeah,
and can't go to the yard,
yeah,
then use film and hide for them.
Them use fear, it's a fear.
Yeah, then use fear.
Right, I hide for them soap and I use fear soap, don't?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
I shouldn't like that.
I'm sorry fear.
And do what?
But me couldn't help it. Only God can't tell what. Me couldn't help it.
Oh, only God can't tell you what, because you couldn't help her with us with any
duck. Yeah.
Oh, so you ever buy her a soap yet?
No.
Okay, you never buy her a soap yet. Okay.
No, I always give her 500, I want 200.
Oh, you give her money? Like a two bills or a 5 bills and thing and whatever?
Yeah, because a good person to me.
A good person to you. All right, there's nothing wrong with that. No. So, well, you and I ever do anything yet?
Yes, man. One long time.
Okay, one long time. You know they do it, don't?
Yeah. Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yes, man.
So why you never do it back again after that?
No, because the big one, come and go find the big woman at town.
Oh, the big woman at town you like, don't?
Yeah, so she sweet me more.
She sweet you more. So when she, you know, drum up your money yet for she come back from Harborview?
I will up calling cousin and the cousin 7 ACR.
Yeah.
You let me know.
Okay. So you're going to make she come all the way back from Harborview again and come up there and thing and whatever, don't?
Yes, man, but I make everything straight this time. Only God
because you can't give her the jokings and then make you hungry. Woman not for sort out for hungry belly. Gas will kill them.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, it's different for them, you know, because we not explain certain things in a detail because here and now. You see, when we are do this something, remember, say we are pumping ear in them, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
So when them hungry, it will affect them worse than we, even though we are sometimes we are the most I work. You understand? So woman, you can't sort out a woman for hungry belly. You know, that's not right. You know why you do that to her again? If she have to travel from Harborview, come all the way up at Westmoreland for you, up at Hanover for you and whatever, you know, come through Westmoreland. You have to feed her, man, have look of food when she come there, something, and look at tea and thing, make you belch off a gas before you start work.
Yeah.
You hear what I say? And it better because when woman not hungry, then sort out better, you hear?
Yeah.
All right, big up yourself, here. Oh, well, on, before you go. Well, yeah, what me just said before you go though. You see, she come from Harborview too. You know Tina who come from Harborview too, don't?
No.
You don't know Tina?
No,
you don't know Tina. Tina call the show all the while. But at that Tina No, more you listen to me and listen to me carefully now. Tina live up here in America, you know, but she come from Harborview too, you know.
Yeah, but know her.
You wouldn't know her. Me I tell you about her. She a TamFam too, man. She not the TamFam, Tambourine family for a long time, years. But here I know.
Yeah.
You know, say Tina used to, dugu, enough for hungry belly. And it make her belly swell up, and from them time, their belly no go down.
Okay.
You hear what me say? What me just tell you, say?
Yeah, me hear.
No, what me tell me back, what me just tell you, say? At me to
Tina used to dugu, and him belly swell up and he no go down.
Why?
Can eat for hungry belly.
For hungry belly, she used to start out enough over Harborview. Same place over Harborview there. Same place over Harborview. And her belly swell up, and from her belly swell up from them hungry belly grind there. You not go back down. You not go back down.
Okay.
People all a walk and say, Obia, them Obia. And not Obia. A hungry belly start out, make her belly come up big, so and all.
Okay.
Poor thing. We try with her, do, but nothing can help her. Only God can help her right now. All
yeah,
right?
Yeah, but look at Raga. Some people talk about Obia. Not near Obia.
Okay, not near
Obia.
Okay. Oh, Father God them for pray. That's right. Me agree with you. No, well, definitely in the case of Tina, them say Obia, and not Obia. Hungry belly grind, make her belly can.
No, tell Tina to praise the Father, man. Tell there's a demand we got.
No, well, shall listen to her. Talk to her about her belly. We swell up.
Tina.
Yeah, talk to her.
Tina, now what you bag of mouth? Just follow your heart, man. I praise the Father, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
I say, I'm man with the faith that sister, man. Tina, big up yourself, man. God will bless you, man. Is it?
Well, talk to her about her belly and think, because she always talk about it. Talk to her about her belly from the hungry belly side.
Yo, Tina, good night. I the man with the faith, this man. Him brother name, him bigger brother name Joke, yeah. Me see your belly when you swell up, when I do start out for hungry belly, you know, Tina. Me say that part, but yeah, no. Me tell you the truth, God love. Next time, don't make that happen again.
Yeah, don't make it.
Praise the Father. I make your Father jar down his swelling. Please and thanks. Yeah.
What you say? She be praise the Father and make your Father jar down his belly, no?
Yeah. No, I shoot, man.
I shoot. The belly need look a blessing, man. All right, my general. Big up yourself.
God will bless you.
Yes, man. Only God can.
Percy, big up yourself, Percy. Praise the Father, Percy.
That's right.
Feel up.
All right, Uncle God can tell you. Bless up here. Tina. He barely need look a blessing, man, Tina. You need to go talk up to God right now and make God see what he can do and see if he can bring down your belly and all these things, right? Actually, you now walk right in a righteousness, make your belly up there from the hungry belly, sort out them where you used to go on. On the Harborview, woman, on for do better. On for do better. Yeah. Tina, you hear, only God can tell you, make you know what? Know the full 100 and all these things. Find the Lord and walk in some righteousness and pray to God and think for make your belly come down from the swelling from the hungry belly sort out. Hi! We'll try with you. Press the other thing said. Say that.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Wagwan.
Yeah, good night. Me hear you the other day, free up, I talk about, professional woman, or them can keep a relationship, something like that.
No, yes, there's a thing going on and it's getting worse, right? It's like the more successful women are out there, the more them say them can't find a compatible man for deal with. So the woman them increase. You know, them woman them do them look a subject and them buy them house and them have them car and them look a saving and thing and whatever. A lot of these and them have them nice job. A lot of these women say them can't find a suitable man for them. So we were just exploring it and I say on some level the man them, them enough of the man them can't deal with successful women. But at the same time, enough of these women out there who say them successful, there's an argument to be made that for them success they on a level now where them feel like say them, them better than the average man out there right now and thing. To the point where I am meeting all these Jamaican women who are doing well who are saying they have decided to date outside of the Jamaican culture because them can't find no comparable Jamaican man who them can deal with who depend for them level.
Oh. Yeah. Well,,, my opinion, you see, I think, 'cause, 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 'c sometimes, you know, when them have the education and all of that,
Yeah.
them feel say them the on top of the world, so therefore them dominate the relationship.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
yes.
them dominate the relationship, and they know. Some
When you
man
say
will have
dominate,
that, you know.
when you say dominate, break down that. Like what them do? What are some of the things them do? When you say dominate the relation, you mean say them domineering over the man them, right? That,
Yeah,
yes.
they can't say nothing to them. They just want to rule everything. Them the man
Oh,
have no talk.
yeah.
They call him this and then call him that and then call him. So some man will not have it.
Right. Because the average Jamaican man, them not really want. And here the thing, you know. The average Jamaican man, them not take them stylings from woman. And then now, the man them who will take it, the woman no want them man there. Because them say them man they soft and them a idiot and them not in a backbone. So, 6 or 1/2 dozen of the other, you know, them not get nothing upon eat. But you say, that a part of what you say I go on out there. When them woman here start do well and them get look a bit successful and thing, them dominate the relationship and dominate
Yeah,
the
man.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a few professionals in my family, you know, and their relationship, it not really work out much. It not really work out because them just feel like them the on top of the world. And then not only that, but sometimes when they try to call him man this and call him that and so, the man then start beat some of them. You understand?
So wait, you think the man them justified for beat them because woman are call them name?
No.
Okay.
There is not.
We want to be clear about that.
I'm
We want to be
saying,
clear about that. Okay, so the man them.
No, I don't go poor man alone beat two man in a raga.
Oh no. Me know that.
All right, because I know who man work on TV where they husband beat them. You understand?
Listen to me. I know a politician in Jamaica. I'm very much active right here now. Beating wife regularly and thing and whatever. And him did all have problem with me pan radio. And battering wife regularly. And uptown somebody.
So some of them will not have it, while some will just let it pass.
No, but
by.
what about the argument though what a lot of women make though? That they find that when them work hard and do well and whatever, that the men become so insecure that they try to kind of contain the woman them and control them and all these things and try to restrict the woman in these, you know, these traditional, you know, one-dimensional roles and them things. But the woman them say, no, a modern time now, them more independent thing and man have a confident and self-assured to deal with them, and they're saying that the more they do well, the more these men try to overcompensate in them effort for control the woman them and thing, and them the woman them say after a while them think they just become so unattractive them can't bother with them man. What about the argument?
Well.
What do you think?
Well,
because I make you talk the truth. You have some man, you know, them not like when woman, them there with woman and the woman like say she dep on the same level of them are, she go work hard and get a little degree and thing. All of a sudden, if the woman upset about something what she justified for upset about, the first thing flow time out a true you have degree, and you think you work at office, make you think you're better than me, true you work at office, I mean, wear office clothes and whatever, you feel like so. When probably him did do something where she's justified with being upset, you understand? So, you know, what you think about that? You know, think some women have a justified argument to make right there. You don't think so?
Yeah, I think so. I think they have a justified argument to make right there.
Okay.
But Raga, me see, me in some situations where me see, you see?
Yeah.
They sometimes the woman make the man stay a woman and babysit and cook and wash and all them things.
What wrong with that?
No, she no, but that make him work. Him work out, him do the housework.
Uh-huh.
But when him do the housework, that's so she get the upper hand to treat him like a boy. You understand?
Oh, so...
treat him like a yard boy.
Oh, okay. Hello?
Yeah, man, me there.
Okay, so basically, I say, if you have a relationship and the man a stay home and take care of the picnic and take care of the house and the woman at work, and you say fundamentally that woman then not gonna respect the man there. That you say, right?
Sometimes them don't.
Okay.
Sometimes no. Yes, sometimes them don't respect.
So
the
tell me
man.
something, man. Is that a good, based on you as a Jamaican woman, is that a good arrangement in a relationship? For the man stay home and take care of picnic and clean house and clean bathroom and cook, and the woman go work?
Well, sometimes it is justified because some of the women, them, when they are professional, can't do anything. You understand?
When them
they
are
can't do nothing.
When them
yes,
are
some of them, they can. Yes, some
What?
of them cannot do anything.
When you say can't do
So
anything, you mean them buff and them can't clean, them can't wash, them can't.
Yeah, and
Okay,
sometimes they prefer the man stay yard and do that because if they get a woman, the man are going to end up take the woman where they get to put a yard to help out do the housework.
So if the woman buff and workless and can't do a better, and if the man can do the work and thing and the arrangement the work for them, then that is okay then for the relationship, right?
Yeah, yes,
okay.
Yes. You know, Raga, I remember working with this lady,
Yeah.
And I don't know, but she asked me one day, say, for comb her hair.
Yeah.
So me go and me start comb her hair. If her husband never say anything to me yet, I say to her, say, when you say that, what you mean? What you really mean when you say that? She asked the husband. And the husband said, no. She think he would have really do something like that. I say, well, husband said no. Then I know then.
Well, that is that is a ticklish answer, you know.
No, but that means she no secure then. She no secure.
No. That
secure,
is obvious.
She would come ask me that.
No, I agree with you. But if a woman you have somebody at work, another woman at work, and yeah, she insecure. But if she asks the person, like my husband never put any arguments to you, if the person respond by saying, what your husband say? Well, my husband said, no, him never put arguments to you. Well, if that your husband say, then I that. If you respond that way, that woman will have reason to be suspicious now because that woman never really answer back definitively and say, no, nothing never happened. She just said, well, go with what your husband say. All right, let me ask you straight up. Well, let me ask you straight up. Talk it truth now where God love.
No, she insecure.
No, well, man. The husband ever yet put look at arguments to you? Him did ever yet put look at arguments to you? You laugh. Talk it truth.
Well, I know that.
Wait, no man, talk it truth, no man. The husband.
I know.
The husband did put arguments to you, and
Well,
you laugh. Me say.
No, but me feel that she insecure, Raga.
No, you. Hold on.
I was 19.
Yes, you were 90. I know you didn't answer the question, you know. No, then me know how you look. And you sprucey and round and sexy. Tell your husband, me not pass me play. But me know how you look. Worse than when you're 90 and think, you're a hot piece of girl, man. I want me to you. And then me ask you a while ago, I bail off you depend and think. I know you don't answer me. The husband did put arguments to you, don't?
Well, she believes so.
No, you do the same thing with me what you do with she. You don't answer the question and I go on. So,
Raga, let me tell you. It kinda. You see, all of us was church people.
Yeah.
And them on the choir, the two of them.
The choir, them choir people, listen, man.
Then if me did figure tell her something like that, no, you know what they know that mash up.
Oh, me see what you say.
No, that mash up. So when you tell her,
she go back, because nothing never happened.
Right.
And then she go back and say, but you did say so and so, and a problem that next thing you know, you lose your look at work.
Yes, Amaka say him, if I did him, he would have fired me. But me not see what to get fired for.
No, but I that the man them do. Because I that the man them do for save them relationship. Them put arguments to the woman who are work there. Then if something go bust out or whatever, or if the woman a tell the man them say, leave me alone, stop, leave me alone. Then very often it reach a point where if the woman go say something to the wife go talk to him or whatever, and the man go say, lie, she tell I don't want her here. What you think the wife a go do? You think the wife a go run with her husband and make you stay there? No.
No.
Right.
No.
So that's why enough
No.
woman help her will go through them something that them just clutch and hold it. And them don't do nothing with the man, but them don't tell the woman either because them don't want the drama and the excitement and whatever, and them manage it as best them could. So, because you hear what Mark say, if a him and that come, he would have fire you.
That team say,
Yeah.
when I tell the tear foot broke, you know, and she hear him. I want my wife nobody ask me why the tear foot broke, you know. I want my wife nobody ask me why the tear foot broke. But you see, Raga, me push him.
What you mean you push
You
him?
understand?
What you
In tall and trapped him, and
Yeah.
he come towards me, and me push him,
And you push him away.
and he drop on the chair, in the chair, and broke the chair.
And broke your chair foot.
Yes, so I hit. No, it look like say she recognized that the chair foot broke. No, so I hit here, ask him what happened, why the chair foot broke.
And
So-
you know if your mind gone, you know, why the chair foot broke, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you can't blame her. You know, she knows that the chair, you know, foot don't just broke so. Something happened make your chair foot broke. What you can look on it and can see how it broke and just know. So in a fear mind, she wonder if all some chair styles you did I give the man, you know, and all them things that make your foot broke, you know, and all them. So I stress I take her. I don't think that is insecure, you know, on the part of the wife. I don't think that was insecure. I think that was like, there is an explanation for why this chair foot broke. When people don't have answers and the blanks them there, them fill in the blanks. So I'm not insecure that something did happen that required an explanation and she not get the explanation. And
She insecure, Raga, because she go on me tell me, say, me which clothes me for wear, come at the yard. So she was insecure. She was insecure.
No, but
She
that
tell
has
me,
come
say,
up
me not
with-
for wear no mini skirt, and that was my thing, because them time them me young. So them that was my thing.
You can't be a 19-year-old helper in the woman house and thing and whatever, and she there with her husband and thing with film Isla ride him and yeah, wear mini skirt go to woman here. You must say mad.
But Raga, me young, you not go expect she see me. She not go expect she see me in a skirt past me knee, gone down on me ankle, and me young, me a 19.
No, but
Them
when me
time
I
me
say
young and a shine.
you them time that you're young and I shine, no.
Yeah, me young and hot and a...
No, but when me I say no, me I one of them because women have express them you know this issue about appropriate dress and whatever. One time one woman call and whatever and she cuss out the same thing she cuss out the woman. And after one long conversation with her, only for hear the woman I say, cause she don't know what she have problem with her shorts them what she wear. So I say, shorts? What kind of shorts? She said, my shorts them. I said, what kind of shorts? My shorts them I wear. So I said, roomy shorts. She said, then who wear roomy shorts indoor? You mad, Raga? My shorts them have to tight up on me and comfortable and what. So imagine this woman I work at the woman house now. And she a go wear some tight up shorts. Me and you know when tight up shorts put on what kind of printout and buffaloes, fabulous and all them something that one. Why that woman not supposed to upset if somebody I work there, a helper or whatever I work there and thing like that and I wear them something there. No, you should not wear miniskirt around the woman. You're bright. Around the woman husband and thing.
you so you agree with it? You agree
Yeah.
with Marka, you agree with she?
Yes, no, I'm not on your side tonight that time. Me have to understand the woman and whatever. You can't do their work and thing and I wear miniskirt running like, and you know a man then turn a tempe man. Where you rub butter and puss mouth for?
No, but if she secure, she wouldn't have need to worry about that.
Listen to me. When somebody drive a car, right? Them drive with the confidence that them not get in an accident, don't?
Yeah.
But them still get insurance in case them get in an accident, don't?
Yes.
All right. Then some them thing they go, you know, say the thing are going to happen, but you know, say the thing could happen. And if the thing could happen, you must take steps to ensure say it don't happen. Because in your house there, in our domain there. And that's how she live. Right? But yeah, we a miniskirt round the woman out, but make a man attack you and a broke up chair and all them things there. You brighty.
I know say me work with her for 3 years. Cause one time she said me I go leave, and she cried. She said, no, don't leave.
Okay.
She said me are the best worker she ever have.
All right then.
And I, yeah man, and when she started travel, me stop work with her.
Okay, see it there. All right, now say a word. Bless up yourself here.
Yeah man, all right.
All right then, respect. No man, people, no. If you are work at somebody yard and thing and you're a lady and you know your body, and we see these things on the internet all the time, you know. Like, you know, they will show you a picture with a sexy piece of girl, you know, in a one nice tight up sitting or whatever, in a kitchen or whatever, and then will put something like, you know, you're a woman and you come home and this is the new helper. What would you do? Or whatever, and all them something there, whatever. Nah, man, you can't know, say you're sexy and you're wassy. And you dress them way there and talk about, oh, them in an indoor and them shots I'm wear all the while. No. When I remember one woman call all the while, not when I say call all the while, remember one woman call and she did a give one mix up. I don't know if I want classic or whatever. But she did a say, she did a line up a man, right? And when the man wife dead, she wear bare big clothes. But when the man wife not dead, a bare skimpy tighty thing she wear until she get a man. I think it was a Ragashanti classic, man, a Ragashanti live classic. When we put up over Ragashanti TV over YouTube and things. So she did set out, she a programming thing, you know. You understand? So she knows that she wear big clothes around the wife, even though she did a target a man. And the fact that when she target the man, she wear them look out tight up, something. She know what she do. So if you're not interested in that man and you work in the people them house, you can't wear them something around the man, because sometimes the man them probably, although him not pre-certain thing, but you go flex out them way them man and say, Giano, you know something, if you take one off of that. Anyway, give me a next call. Hello.
Hi, boss.
Yeah, Robert.
Wagwan.
Boy, I am good, man. How are you?
Everything good?
No, everything is always good with me, Robert.
You got yourself. I learn from you from tonight, my boy. I teach that, man.
Oh, okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
so when you call the show, when after every call the show, you say you must listen and learn.
Yes, man.
Yeah, so when Mr. Coombs and I say I'm going into some more details, I have to go into some more details. So other people will call in and talk. You see me?
Right, you are. Yes.
But you see me not really go do that with the topic we are talking about. We want to do that still, you know?
You want to do what? What you want to do, Robert?
With the 16-year-old and the 17-year-old. But we not do them the thing there.
What you want to do? Be specific, be clear. What you say?
Like, if there is my friend woman, you know?
They with your friend woman, or you want to there with your brethren woman? No, but that are your brethren woman. But what about your woman best friend?
I wanna there with my friend woman the topic we are talking about.
No, but listen to me now, but you're saying it differently. You're saying you want to there with your friend woman. But the mix up when me get is the youth got there with him woman friend. So I'm just asking, I just want to be clear. Would you go there with your woman best friend?
No. That's
all right. All right. Would you take one off of her if she says she just a run it?
No, me never.
Well, man. Suppose she says she squeeze it by you quietly and you know fit talk. I just you and her secret.
Me couldn't sleep in my bed.
Okay. Why you wouldn't do that?
No, because my conscience that beat me. My conscience is to beat me, so me not do it.
Oh, you're a good man.
Yeah. So the lady will call while and I say about the help she take long to answer though. That means a man put argument to her.
Yeah, man. No, man. Then she admit it after she know you said the man come over upon her and I try, I try. Listen. Remember she said the man come over upon her and I try do him for do and she push him off, and when she push him off, he drop on the chair and broke his chair foot. And so the man did come out, the man did try to go off her,
Well, yeah, when we want to do this still, you know, there are certain things we can't do, you know?
Because you're a principal man, though. You're a principal man.
There's certain things we can't do. Me can't, that's one thing, me can't do certain things. So if that's why me always try to, even too cute, them virgin, he too cute.
Sistering, say your sistering, yeah?
Yeah, my sister. Even when she attack, she learn from the show. Me and her talk, like, and she said, boy, she learn off of this show, you know?
Right, when you're too cute,
Yeah, we talk to her a couple up to Friday night, man.
But even though you said there were certain things you couldn't do and whatever, you were a panya machete, a two-sided cutlass with too cute. And hold on, man, you have a way when people attack, you just jump in and go on like you know what, man. You don't know so that no work with me. Bill, man. All right. Yeah. So what me I say is, you know, you are going to say there's certain things you couldn't do and you give you the impression and also you're a principled man who certain things you wouldn't do and all them something there. But what we have heard and proven is that you know you did a play too cute and what's your name again? What's your name again? Prezi? Prezi. Where they at every time,
You want to leave a subject.
The what?
You want to lady say she have both 9 subjects and can't remember 2.
I can't remember. No, I only remember 3, no?
Only remember 3, yeah. Eh?
What's your name again, man? What she call herself? Multi-talented.
About you, man, with this subject.
No, man. So what me I say? But yeah, but you were playing multi-talented and too cute for one another thing. Yeah. That is not the behavior of a principal. That is not the conduct of a principal, man.
Yeah. We'll crash you out and we say we shouldn't do it still, you know?
Well, you shouldn't do it. Okay. So, are we, and you apologize? Did you apologize?
Yeah, we apologize to the business and talk to multi-talented and we do crash it down.
Okay.
It's a TV show.
So are we to believe that you will never again behave that way with two women?
No, sir. You don't like the idea, you know, I like
you not do it again. Okay.
You like when me call me show and them a bash me wicked. Me no feel good.
Okay, you don't feel good about that. You feel hurt, no? You feel hurt, no?
Yeah, me want you to feel good when me call the show. Me don't want them to say no bad thing about me.
Okay.
So me don't like it, you know?
But Robert, just so you know, we don't take it that serious though, you know. Neither the too cute, multi-talented and too cute for them is like a joke, you know, and for me it's a joke. So I don't want you to think that we've been taking it too serious, okay? I mean, you were exposed.
Because they asked us still. Because they asked us, you see? Well, me not really, me not a father, you know?
All right.
And me kind of look away if you say, boy, because when me go to work today, them a move me and say, boy, me and a father.
Yes.
And you look away, but say, we get a look at youth, you know?
Right.
Right, you know, me a going to get right, you know, Raga, real full man, and me not really want to live for work and not really get a look at you. You understand me? I say, Raga?
Right.
So me not come cause for the disturbance, but me want to even line up a look at things the way you know you can see. Because me not really, because me a big man and young man, you know? And me kind of keep off I foolish, you know?
Okay.
Me come to you straight, man. Me not go on the car, you know?
Oh, so hold on. When you come back to that thing then where you try to find a woman now, right?
Yeah, we want to link up with a lady we can, you know, we can really, because right now me I get a look out partner jar this a week, Raga, and I want to buy somebody sitting, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not like them style, because me they are all lonely and them thing, Raga, you know?
Oh, okay.
Me nah come to you, me I call to you straight as a man-to-man talk.
No, yeah, really. So you get a partner jar come up and that you know you want to spend some money upon a woman, so you try to find a woman for breed, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay,
so me I beg you to give me a look one blind. You know, me don't know this still, but me just try, we kind of traumatized sometimes, you know, if it's the come in at night time, nobody to talk to one thing, you know?
No, but what are you leading at though? What you seem to be suggesting that you want something to be done. What is it?
Yeah. Like anybody out there will can call and them thing there. So we are trying.
No, but how would they call you?
No, me have to ask you apologize. Me have to give you have to give the go ahead.
The go ahead for what? The go ahead for what?
Eh?
The go ahead for what?
No, me want, no, leave me my number, you know?
Oh, so you want to leave your number on the show?
Yeah. So
Okay.
me want you to give me the go ahead. Me not jump on beat.
All
Me
right.
make you a year show. Me no want to go over the board,
No,
you know?
well, I understand your plight, Robert. I understand where you are. You just explain yourself and made a case, all right? And you were very clear in saying, I think you told me you were 41. You get your birthday recently. You reached 42 yet?
July 21st, my birthday, you know, Raga.
So July 21st, how old would you be?
Yeah. July the 21st, I will be 42.
You're going to be 42. So okay.
Yeah,
So you
yeah.
made it known to us that so you're 41, I go 42. Tonight now, you you basically say, boy, you're there at work and them a beat you and I tease you and I tell you say, you're no youth and thing and whatever, and you're making an argument for say you hurt about it and thing like that. And then you kind of, you bring around the discussion and you're saying you even have a partner draw come up and you'd love to spend it on a woman and all these things and whatever.
Yeah, I'm carrying them out and make them feel good, you know?
Right, and then you look somebody for breed.
Yeah, I mean, I grow the car.
Right. Auntie.
I grow the car and I mean, no meaning me.
All right, hold on. Okay. Hold on. This is my response. All right. The first time you called and you asked to do that, I just said, go ahead.
Yeah. Well,
right.
Go,
hold on. No. Me talk now.
Yeah.
So I say, go ahead. You call again and you want to do it again. I say, go ahead. You call again and you say you want to leave your number again. I say, go ahead. You call back 4th time. I say you want to leave your number. I'm going to go ahead. Around the 5th time now, I say to you, say, no, Robert, it can't really do that. That is not the purpose of the show. The show is not for you to believe.
Right.
You have a permanent invitation to call in and leave your number. That is not the purpose of the show. So it's like me give a blight, but it, you start interpret it like it's a permanent thing. All right? All right. And then you say cool. And then one night now, you say cool, you not do it again. No. Before that, you call and you say one last time. You remember that?
Yeah, man.
You say one last time and you not do it again. And I say one last time, Robert. And you say, yeah, one last time I want to leave your number. And then you leave your number. I say, remember, you say one last time. Then you call him back after that and then I tell you, say, no, Robert, you did tell me one last time. It can't work. You push and you push. I say, no, you said it was the last time, auntie. Then after that one night you call in and you say, why, big up this show. This is a great show. This is a great show for people learn a lot from. This is a great show for people learn a lot from. I rate this show. And you know what? I have some 2 phone cards to give her tonight. May I give her credit tonight? When you say that, you know how much people from Jamaica text me and say them line up them phone figure put in the number. Only for hear you after that for say, no, you want to leave your number and them for call you for get credit. In other words, you came up with a ruse, R-U-S-E, a ruse, our Sykes, our generalship, in order. So you come at me different now, True, you don't tell us say you can't do it. You come at me different now for leave a number and thing and whatever. I'm going to put on my foot and I say, no. We have to stop this thing right now. You call a couple times after that and you just talk about the mix-up them and we had a wonderful time and thing. And you know, while me. Right? Listen, man, the radio in my background, I'm not supposed to hear it, here. Right? So you call a couple times after that and you bring up nothing about number. Nothing you bring up about number. Y'all participate in the mix-up on the show, nice and whatever. In other words, you make it think cool off and simmer a little bit. And now tonight, you come at me different again. You come at me with a deep psychology.
No, I mean,
hold on, man, because you say you're there at work and you're hurt, because the man them a beat you, say the youth and all them something there. You have to get a youth and things, so you have to breed something and thing and whatever. And then after you make that case then now, you go around now and you say now, in order to address that deep psychological problem and the hurt and the trauma the way you experience at your work, you ask me if you can leave your number, you know, to see if you can get woman, and that you have a partner draw come up, and you want to spend it on a woman and spend it on somebody, but you need to leave your number. And Robert, I'm sorry, but you can't leave your number, because when I say that done, it done. And I know say you kind of get addicted to the thing, and you just see this as your outlet to do it, but I just want you to know, say, that is not the purpose of my show. It's not for you to leave your number to get woman. And I'm having difficulty having that saturated in your mind to get that for us close off right there, so, because you still come at me in a different way right now, right? And you always start off smooth with something, you know? Can you do it tonight again? You know? Big up your show, man. Good show. I show you good. And then you take time, come right back round again, you know? And I said, boy, you don't like to leave your number because you want to breathe something right, you know, something to spend your partner drop on and all.
No, I don't really that, you know, man. I don't really.
No, but Robert, that done. Robert, you can't call him a reason and we talk and whatever. You leaving that number something there, it done. Yeah? And you have to accept that, Robert. You can't come at me again. Because anyway, you go call back 2-3 weeks from now and say, you want to say, the heavens open up and God come down and tell me to tell you, say, if you leave my number, if you leave your number on the show. Me still not going to make you do it. So let it go, man. All right? All right, Robert?
All right, you for yourself. I mean, I fight you don't feel things. I mean, just I explain something to you and so. Me never to force you. They say, I make you give it up, right? Me never say, I force you.
No, you never force me. You ask me something, so just I give my answer. But it happened to be something that you have asked on several occasions before, and I gave you the same answer. But for some reason, you have not accepted that answer because you're still asking the same question, which is you want to leave your number.
No, man, me not fight up on the show.
No, you're not fight me. No, you can't fight me. All right?
But me not force. But you know what I tell you, say, and I tell you how simple look the situation. And you could have looked at yourself and said, well, all right then. If you're already, I just say, me not fight up with that.
What you say is a simple look situation, and if I can look into myself and say, all right, then I give you the rundown.
No, me not fight of it.
No. Me just want. I think I dated it, so I just want to clarify. So that is.
Myself and tell you what is going on.
Oh.
I mean, and true, me go talk about that. You to the room and I say you can't work. So then,
No. But here where me I say, no man. It no matter what you say, it come back to you asking for do the same thing when I already tell you no several times. Look how long me and you there talk on the show now because you want to leave your number. And me have to tell you this, me have to go over it again, pan the show. Just out of respect for you, me have to stay calm and I explain to you, and you still not let it go. You see you going and I say, I could have just look into myself and whatever. So if I wile you up now and get wicked now and whatever, you're not going to bother me again, you know. Because Robert, me can't tell you some things that make you not ask me again, you know. You want me to do that? I actually can't tell you some things, some strong things that will shame you. You want me to do that?
All right, Papa. It's sure. Yeah. Something there.
All right. Then. Okay, so don't ask me again, here? It is very important that you understand. Don't ask me to leave your number on the show again, because I will tell you no again. And if you do it the next time, I'm probably going to get angry and upset at you. I'm probably going to... Because I'm not going to keep on and do the same thing I expect a different result. So if you come again, I warn you, I'm going to come for you different. All right? So don't come at me again for that, here. But you can't call in and talk about anything or whatever. You just not going to leave no number on my show for get woman, for breed and give your partner, John, all them something there or whatever. That not going to happen, here.
The money thing, you easy as that.
All right, then.
I the part of the money thing.
Then you bring it up. I never me bring it up. It's you bring it up. Then you bring that up as Sykes. Then you bring that as Sykes for kind of soft for me up. Why you think you tell me that? No, why you think you tell me that? You tell me that you come at me different for me look upon it different and say, oh Jesus, it's serious. He might need for breed somebody because he might go through trauma. Run the number. Then that's why you tell me. All right? So don't ask again. All right? All right. We're done for that subject now. And take care of yourself. Here? Good. Because remember, say we are still bridging, you know. We're still cool, you know. Just don't bring up your number thing again. It not going to happen. No care what you say to me. Me not going to make you leave your number on the show again. And don't even try if you call in and leave it quick. Because if you do that, then we are going to ban you. All right? All right, Robert. Into my heart, into my heart, come into my heart, Lord Jesus, come in today, come in, I pray. Into my heart, Lord Jesus. The water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. God Almighty power is moving every hour. No longer stand on dry. The water is troubled, my friend. Right. Real. Christ so real to me. I love it because he gave us the victory. Many people, listen to me now, people. Listen to me. Hey, now if I want to see this, I think you don't think it easy if you have patience up here. Listen to me. I will break. We'll soon forward.
Decades of hits from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the BRIDGE99 FM, the station for everyone.
New style, yes, new flow.
The Bridge. The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on BRIDGE99 FM.
Yo, Robert, a sample, you know, man. Yo, not care what me I tell Robert, you know, and if I know Robert just still like, hey man, I said, no man, I look on it that way, them man. Me just tell you them something, them man, and you could have just look into yourself, man, and what. Hey man, just stubborn, you know, man. Even the tone of the man voice and whatever, you know, Prezi. You know, when woman and general man and them change them voice and start act like poor thing and appeal to that kind of alpha male thing. All that Roberta draw for, whether deliberately or indirectly, Robert voice get like poor thing, man, like, feel sorry for him, Yo, hey, Robert, no easy, That's why sometimes you care what my son, yes, Prezi. If when him did ask the first time, I'm say no, we wouldn't have no problem, We wouldn't have a problem. If me tell him no from the first time, him wouldn't gone down this, but I true him go get, Him go get some of the niceness and thing. And then, can't let it go, Aye, boy. Robert, you have to go balance up your thing. You sure can't be for that. 200 and other one over there upon the IrieJam 360 Facebook Live. Big up on yourself, Auntie. Big up the YouTube people, them two over there and thing and whatever. Big up all our international listeners. Do remember that the BRIDGE99 FM app is out. The BRIDGE99 FM app. The app is out. And remember, when you have the app, Prezi, if the Facebook broke down, them still can't hear it on the app, no? So yeah, so they get the app. Because some of you don't listen over upon the Facebook thing about if that thing I broke down, right? Because you know sometimes I look at challenges over here. When you don't have the app, you can listen to the show same way, because the show I go juggle same way. Remember, say the show is on a station in Jamaica, free to ear station. So I'm particularly speaking to our international listeners, right? People outside of Jamaica, right? So when you get the BRIDGE99 FM app, lock it in, see? So that when if any little thing happen online, you can still listen through the app, right? Again, the app is called The BRIDGE99 FM. Make sure you put in the. Sevan, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Is it Sevan or Sevan? There's a ragga, you created a monster in Robert. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Well, on. Yo, Stacey, big up yourself, you and your gentleman over there. Stacey, my Queen's link, big up yourself, you and your gentleman. Where you say bossy, laugh till him weak down when he mean about the fall in the toilet. They don't know it's upon Raga show, you hear the things them, man. Upon Ragashanti show, you hear the things them. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Greetings. Hello. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
Robert say, oh, me have a perfect woman for him, you know.
You have a woman for Robert?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we between me and Raga. Me have a woman I yard, you know, I want to get some pitney and nah breed from me get woman I yard. Woman nah breed, you know.
What you mean?
1 4 foot woman me have a yard for you, man.
One dog? No,
yeah, man.
You can't style the general them way, the man. Cool, man. The man I go through him thing, man. So we can't style him them way, the man. Why you want to give the man a dog right here, no? Just cool, man. Eh?
You want a Raga?
Eh?
42-year-old I know you want a youth.
What wrong with that?
Nah, man, him waste him time, Raga, man. Raga, what is that, man? Him should have not called in for a radio station and say, I want a youth in a 42. Him should have something with a woman where I got one, where I got jar, or three. You see me?
Then hold on. Then in my 40s, me have my 3 youth, them.
Nah, man, in your 40s, you get a 3 youth, Raga?
Yeah.
Yeah, waste time to Raga then, man. I ask Raga for me at 24, me get my first youth in a Raga.
Well, good for you, but what I'm saying, what is wrong with somebody who have children later? Why is that a... All right, why is it something bad if somebody don't have... Hold on, why is it a bad thing if somebody don't have youth in them 20s or them late teens? Why?
Why? What is that? Some of them say, oh, they want to set a foundation first.
No. You tell me why some people would do it, but I'm saying, why is it a bad thing if somebody if somebody don't have children in either them late teens or them 20s?
Yeah, why is that a bad thing? You know,
yeah, you just say people who do that or whatever, them a waste time. Why you say that? Why?
Yeah, because when me say that in a Raga, why say that them a waste time in a Raga? Them should have, them young, them should have pre them thing that when you reach in a your age, you want to pre them thing there.
So what wrong?
You don't want to pitney.
Huh?
You don't want to get grand pitney.
No, but you have just simplified life in a way that it's not really grounded. There are many reasons why people don't have children early.
Yeah, many reasons. That's why they some of them end up when I get none.
Well, that's true. You have some people put it off till it's too late, particularly for women, right? So that is a thing for women or whatever. But don't you think we need to reach a point now where we go beyond that and we stop stigmatize people and make people look bad if them not... Hello?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Well, you know, feel say in them modern times, I know, if we cut out them something like if people have youth, you know, early, like we think there's something wrong with them.
Well, in them time, I know, me feel like say, things are better, brother. Things are better as in them should have youth more younger, you see me? Cause, yeah, we see our father are we when them young, you know. So why you want to change the thing? And I say it's still the same way and more better too. You see me? I watch the jam. Me have a virgin in a raga. Well, look for me and tell me say, yo, when I get my first youth in them, tell me say, yo, what you do that? Yeah, foundation for small and have a house, more of this, brother. You see me? And I say, yo, me say to him, say, yo, brother, me I go set foundation with my youth.
Yeah.
Me no know what in the future. Me cannot walk and I can't lift me down or anything possible. Because so you know the thing go already. All time around.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? You rather know that you know, achieve you me get that.
Right.
You see? And me I does 32. You see me? I reach 32, but me just say me at 32. You see it?
Right.
See that? I said thing with them, I fight with them.
Okay.
You see me? Because me don't know what going to happen in the future. Anything can happen, you see me?
Okay. So what I'm saying is that, like, you did it that way and it worked for you. But you don't think that, you know, there are many people out there who are not you. And for different reasons, them choose not to do it that way. Some people have medical issues and all kind of thing that cause it, you know, right? I see people judge people and them, particularly women, you know. Yeah, them hard per man, but you know even worse with women. You know just Jamaicans can be so harsh and cruel, particularly on women. You know, things I only need to get past that now and whatever. A human being, no man, a person can live a fulfilled life. And what if somebody choose not? Do you think it's wrong if somebody say, you know what, I don't want to have any children. I want to live the rest of my life without children. You feel there's something wrong with that?
No, because you choose to do that. But what about that? Say enough we went like the elder they were talking about the 42-year-old big man they are talking about say him go work and you know if you make nobody at send up and it make your feet hurt then because you choose that.
Alright. Since you go there, so I could go there a little bit because I don't want to feel because you know I'm kinda fragile. But what I say is you listen to the show regularly?
Yeah man,
All right. So what I say is you wanna pick up right, you know, if you say Robert, I one of them man there who him not really know the game like that, right? You not pick up that yet?
Yeah, that's enough to try. Pick it up now, because if him days them done now.
Well not, him days done at 41, 42?
Yeah man. Cause no when I want to give 41, 42, no? Make him hold him clutch same way. Nobody going on no gear.
But you say Robert no have no picnic then?
Nah man, you don't make no sense.
Why? Because him a 41, because July I come a 42, him no have no more picnic though.
And a friend make him have one have a youth, you know, want to know say you want to chat that road. You could have be one of the man them way spoon doing that.
Well, even Friday a man call in and I say, boy, you remember Friday, couple man, but one of them say, you know, him no want him did there with one woman who did want she breed him and him never breed her, and then this year come and she say, then she breed now, she go there with somebody else and breed, and she say, so we all know you not breed, and the man call in and say, yo, him under pressure you know because him no want next year she go come back now and go say, you still not breed nothing yet. So him want to breed somebody just for she no come home, come say something to him where him are going to affect him negatively.
Yeah.
That is not the reason for you to have children. I bet you don't have none.
Yeah, no, the same thing I tell you with Robert.
With Robert. Man. No, but 41 and 42, that you like it. No, man. You know what I'm saying?
You say I go the second gear. I bet you say I want to go the second. Because I say, yeah. But, my brother, you know, not try again, brother. You waste the time. But what is your man, Raga?
Yeah.
Tina. Because I know you so cut me. Tina. Me a big up Tina, you know, because you go on now, no?
Yeah.
Tina hide everything and feel the pain after her belly swell up. me have a blood clot.
No, hold on. You can't say that word upon the radio, man. You see, I beat up my show, man. When you get too deep up in that thing, make sure that cut out, you know. Anyway, go on, talk. Don't cuss no bad word. All right. Yeah, go on, talk. Yeah.
Me have a virgin who tell me say, oh, that me and him hang out, you know, and
yeah.
He would have look man in the park and thing, you see me?
Yeah.
I tell me say, buck one B and bring home the D and...
Talk quick, them I beg me bring in our next call before me leave. Go on, talk. Yeah, go on, yeah.
D, I'm a calling the D, but you must say, well, I'm calling the D, man, I be a wing, the B, I be a wing.
Oh, so wait, when him a put on the start out pan her, she just a poop up herself, a beer poop, she a poop down.
A beer poop, right?
So what you say? Every time him put on, go so boom and send on and thing. A beer poop, she a poop up herself down.
Him have to draw a red line, man.
Him have to do what?
Red light, man. Him have to stop, man, and bail out, man, Raga, man.
Hold on. Him and her sort out and the more him a pump it in and whatever. Be a poop, she a poop till him have to stop.
Yeah, man, Raga, what is that, my man? So when him bring it in, him stop a fish pot and I say, Mama, me a whole a sea creature, you know, you want to? Mama say, no, man, I'm a good man. You see me? I say, ja. Boy, Raga.
No, hold on. When him did that, before or after them did that buy fish, what?
Raga, when him bring Irene, Raga.
When him bring Irene and carry her home, him stop and you say him buy a sea creature.
Yeah, and him
ask her if she want a sea creature too. And she said no.
Yeah.
Why? So what you say? It don't look like she did hungry and never hungry.
Yeah, come here, cause the money, mama, did you want, man? You see it?
No, but what you say? Him say she poop right. She just a poop up a place right, too.
Raga, man, the man say every strike is more while it's a double bird sketch him, man. You say when him goes a boom and send on it's all a double bro. Yeah, man, that's double bird touch him, man. The man say, no, man, this thing you just know, man. You see it?
No, but me don't know how Tina. So what you say? You rate Tina do how fair one did go do, don't?
Yeah, man, cause Tina hide fear, Tina whole fear thing, you see me?
No, but what you think how it make Tina belly swell up and thing? Cause it look like Tina never poop it out. Like he poop them stain at Tina and swell up her belly.
I have to rate Tina cause you go on. Tina no make have nothing for talk about her, you see me?
You see, no, but it's not a good thing that she gonna make you put them full up her belly and swell up her belly. But anyway, let me take our next call. Hold on, last question. Why you couldn't say when the man a go home, him buy a fish and ask her if she buy a fish? Why you have to call the fish sea creature? Why?
You know say I sea creature cause you know say now them try brand the thing weird it. Okay. You see me?
So what you say, gangster no eat fish?
No, a sea creature we do.
Sea creature swim around, don't?
Swim around, alright. You need to think, Raga.
Hey, sometimes when I sample it, John. Anyway, big up yourself here. Alright. Jamaica. That country, I want different set of people. That's how we. Our thing no normal. Give me an next call, yeah?
Yeah.
Greetings.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Raga. Yeah, hear me, all right. You the one about Robert. You used to Robert now. That's the atmosphere. Can get them say a bird in the hand is worth two in the bushes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You have a woman and them rate take him, make you lift up. And then you take time company, you just box him through the phone, yeah?
Yeah, anytime company radio, them if you box him through the microphone, don't?
Yeah, man.
Why? Because him go left the woman what day, don't?
Yeah, and he come and give you trouble now as a big man. We have what a nice show like this coming in Kumuch and chicken back bread.
Yeah, what you say coming in Kumuch and chicken back generalship?
Yeah, chicken back, man. If you come with the axe tail thing, to somebody, right? But you go chicken back there, go around and come back like him and leave. But here me I tell you, Robert say.
Yeah.
The word more something, you know, because here, the greatest man who walk the earth, you know who?
Oh.
Jesus,
yeah.
And him not get none.
And Jesus. Yo, hey, let me tell you, the Jamaican on a sample, you know. What you say? The greatest man we walk the earth was Jesus, and Jesus never get no you, don't?
Yeah. So what Robert?
So the man not feel no way about the thing, don't
you? Look at in every film, you know.
Yeah.
You can't go walk. You yesterday father then matter, and I chuck a go around and take up the girl in them. I them that I then cause maybe them all them muna call all tonight, you know. Yeah, man.
No, no. Look for the amount of work with the Bible say Jesus put in and thing, and look on the side. And Jesus never get no you, no.
And him could have worked all miracle, him could have looked on all a girl and work miracles, drop off our clothes and make a slung on it and them thing. But
when you say Jesus could have worked miracle and make all a woman clothes, drop off and make. Well, on, what you just say a while ago? Did you just say? Give that Jesus so powerful him could have worked miracle and make her clothes. Drop off a woman and hold on, man. And you say I make she sit down on it. And that you say no.
Oh you mean?
So what all right, why you think Jesus never have a woman?
Well, I mean if I choose my work with so much long thing man back I don't know.
I guess no, then that me I say because when you hear some Rastaman one time, them back in the day when them used to give it to the Christian them, and them are done the Christian, them I say, go ahead, when I worship one man, we have 12 man I walk back him and thing, and we never see with that woman. But what you think? There's something about that? You think that is significant?
Yeah, because here I go on. Some look man about look talk. Remember one time them would have beat the war and the man said, who would have been touched her?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll miss that girl, them to that girl come look for Jesus to give him a peace and Jesus shan the girl virgin. You don't know what I'm feeling, I want that.
No, I remember that parable where the woman come and she wash Jesus' foot and them something there and them say she's a harlot, she's a prostitute.
No, the one went time like the prostitute, man.
Yeah, and them start stone her and beat her and Jesus said, leave her alone. Who is without sin, leave her, you know what.
The first one, and nobody ever got no stone, because piercing I did it.
So, well on, when you say some people interpret that she come for run it upon Jesus.
Yeah, because she know Jesus a miracle and them thing, and she want a miracle baby, you know, but we don't know what Jesus come like him, afraid of them thing, and too old the virgin.
No, but you can't say that Jesus can't afraid of nothing.
But
Jesus and Jesus, how Jesus afraid of anything? Jesus can't afraid. Remember, according to some denomination, you know, like, you know, even though Jesus is the Son of God is God. You remember the Holy Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, 3 in 1 and 1 in 3.
1 and 1 in 3, yeah.
So what I say is, so Jesus is omnipotent. Jesus can't wrong.
It looks up, but here I go, you know the first jacket of
No, hold on. Isn't it possible then one of the things we can learn from that is that you can still be a wonderful and incredible, you know, achieving human being or whatever, even if you're not there.
Like
Hold on. Is it a possible interpretation from Jesus then? Is that you can be an incredible, high-achieving person and things like that and whatever, even if you're not there with nobody? Isn't that a possible interpretation too? No.
Well, if I follow the Bible, it's possible.
Okay, all right then.
Yeah, but here I want to know, just the first jacket around.
Yeah.
And Joseph get it to know, because them not say, God will impregnate Mary.
Well.
And Joseph wanted. Well. Jesus said, well, if I think him go through, you know.
Oh, Joseph. No, I know them always, them people always say that to say, Joseph get the first jacket and thing and whatever. And thing.
Yeah, man, I real thing, man. But, I don't know still. But
no, but I don't know, it don't look like Joseph and Mary. When I get in trouble for that in a school too, you know, because the way them explain it to me, Mary never do nothing before Jesus born. So but what I say after that, Joseph and Mary left with Jesus. So me did ask like, me did go say like, so Mary did have any more pitney and them say, this was in a high school, you have religious education, right? Yeah. So I said then Mary did have any more pitney and my teacher said, probably, but we don't know of it. It don't mean it, not because it in the Bible it mean say it never happened, but we don't know of it. So I said, okay. So I said, well on. So I said, so Mary and Joseph, they go live as husband and wife after that and things. So I said, yeah. So I say, then was a married, me never say consummate, me never know them big word it. So I say, then, them do the something, them do the things, them and whatever. And the teacher say him don't know.
Yeah.
So what you think? You think Mary and Joseph do it after that, after Jesus, man?
Yeah, look like them people look like Joseph that use condom them time.
No, condom never them out them time. But yeah, what I say, yeah, President, me not think Joseph do it, you know. You know why?
Yeah. If you breathe God thing.
Exactly. Him can bright go step to God. People.
Yeah, man God have ram the
so you know, like you have one big Dan and the Dan a travel, but him left a local soldier for go and watch him queen and things.
Yeah, and most of them try to touch when Dan come back.
Yeah, understand. So it look like a this a Joseph thing did because him couldn't bright enough for evil to go give a thing, say him want sparks against God.
But the Robert knows say nobody afraid, man. I follow Jesus' footsteps, you know.
Okay, I follow Jesus. You can't manage it sometime, you know. All right, big up yourself here. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yo, people, you see them meds, they even do, we have discussed them Ragashanti style. I want you to know that you have these people out there, theologians, right? These are religious scholars and whatever. These are things that are you know, robustly discussed, you know, and people come up with all kinds of interpretations and speculations, and they even have other books of the Bible that they claim they're not included in the King James Version of the Bible. They even have sources of the Bible where them say the Bible as we know it come from them sources, which is in Ethiopia and thing, and that some of the fullness of the story them telling her that, and you know, different things happen between different people and all them something. I'm just letting you know that we might be talking about it with the tinge of humor attached to it and so forth, but as you can see, they're clearly controversial, and they beg, you know, some of the seeming absences in the stories or discrepancies. They demand some form of explanation. And I want you to know that indeed, you know, thousands of scholars have been grappling with these matters, you know, throughout the centuries. And there's some interesting discourse out there on these things. Anyway, sooner Wednesday, people, take care of yourself, all right? Out the road. Cool.